Hello, today I want to talk about ways to make money online fast and easy. So welcome to New Internet Wealth. This is my YouTube channel where I talk about different ways to make money online. And so I want to talk today though about one of the easiest ways to make money online, and that is called a direct sales or direct payment method. There's lots of different ways that you can make money online, and I talk about several of them on my channel. You can use different variations of affiliate marketing, through blogging, through YouTube videos, through social media. You can do Amazon, you can sell books, you can sell products, courses, you can do Etsy, all kinds of different ways to make money online. But one of the quickest and easiest and simplest is this direct sales or direct payment type of system. And specifically today, we're going to be talking about the system I really like called List Infinity. And as the name implies, it's all about creating and building an email list. And they give you lots of really helpful training and done-for-you lead capture pages as part of their system. And let me just talk real quick again kind of about what this direct payment system means. What this means is that you're going to receive 100% payments directly to you. So you don't have to wait to be paid. Like with a lot of affiliate commissions, you have to wait 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days sometimes. And there's no splits, meaning you get 100% payments directly to you. You're not getting 10% or 30% or 50% commission. You're getting 100% commission. So List Infinity is a direct payment method system. And what I like about it is it's allowing you to build an email list at the same time that you also can get these direct payments. And so it's really good that way because there's other direct payment systems out there that I like as well, but they don't really have much emphasis on building an email list. And building an email list is very, very important because that's one of the best assets that you can have online is your email list. So List Infinity has 3 membership options. The first is a free plan. And so you can basically get some really great training. You can get the lead capture pages, which we'll look at in a second here, as all part of your free membership. However, you probably want to seriously consider about upgrading to either Starter or Pro. Okay? Now, Starter is just a one-time payment of $10. That's it. One-time payment. It's not a monthly subscription. You only pay one time, and then you're at the starter level. And what that allows you to do, you're going to be promoting List Infinity to help people get access to the training, get access to the capture pages, to help them build their own email list as well. And so that's what they're getting. They're going to be, so the people you help get started with List Infinity are going to also be offered, the chance to upgrade to Starter or to Pro. And if someone upgrades to Starter or Pro and they pay their one-time $10 payment or their one-time $100 payment, if you're only at the free level, then you are not eligible to receive those payments. And so that's why I would say definitely upgrade to at least probably the Starter level. It is just a one-time $10 payment, and that'll allow you in the future, as you help people get started with List Infinity, if they upgrade to Starter, then you are going to get their $10 payment 100% of that paid directly to you. So you're going to be making $10, $10, $10, $10, and a lot of people go for this starter level because it's just $10, right? It's a low barrier. It makes sense. You don't want to miss out on $10 payments, so go ahead and join at least the $10 payment. So that's what I would recommend. Now, if you are able to jump in at Pro for the one-time $100 payment, it's not ongoing, there is no subscription, it's just a one-time payment, then that's what I would recommend. This is what I did because, I didn't want to miss out on anything, right? Because if you join at the Pro level and then you help people get started and they make the $10 starter payment, well, you get that. But if they upgrade or join at the Pro level, then you get the $100 payment. If you're at the free or starter level, then you cannot get the Pro payments. They get passed on to whoever's above you that is at the Pro level. And like I said, these are not monthly payments, okay? These are just one-time payments. And so yeah, if you can afford to join at the $100, that's probably your best option. But at a minimum, I would go ahead and do the $10 so you don't miss out on these. And obviously some simple math, if you help 10 people get started at the starter level, then you're going to make $100. And now you can upgrade to the pro level and not miss out on anything. So let's go back and talk a little bit about what's inside. They have a very good system setup, which is easy to walk through, get everything set up. It's done for you, a step-by-step. And that's the beautiful thing, too, about Listinfinity. There's no technical, you don't have to be technical in any way, okay? They show you exactly how to do it. You do need an email autoresponder. They integrate with Aweber, GetResponse, and TrafficWave. You can get started with Aweber or GetResponse with one of their free plans, which is what I would recommend, and get it connected to Listinfinity so that when people do join your email list through one of the opt-in pages, then they'll be added into your Aweber or GetResponse autoresponder. They have some really good training, solo ads, traffic. They also have a nice solo ad Rolodex, so you can see who they recommend based on their positive reviews, their pricing, and if they've had sales with their solo ads. So that's a really nice feature that you get included. They have some really good Facebook marketing, and so you can go through and read up on the Facebook marketing and how to do that. So this is a free way to market Listinfinity, and then they give you some really, really nice promotional tools, some cover photos, ads, posts that you can put on Facebook or other social media, the group list of Facebook groups that allow ads, etc. And so you can do some free training through Facebook specifically, or through Facebook marketing. Okay, and again, they give you some of the tools to use for that. You'll get some stats about your referrals and statistics. And if you join the pro level, then you get some additional training. So you're really getting quite a bit here. One of the beautiful things is the lead capture pages are very nice. And again, you don't need to have a domain or hosting or WordPress or ClickFunnels or any of that type of stuff, because they provide the lead capture pages for you and host them for you. So you just need to promote them. So let's talk real quick about this, what happens as you promote Listinfinity. Okay, so I'm going to open up this opt-in page. Here it is. This is where you would send your traffic to. You know, how to make $100 every day with your phone. You can send them to any of these opt-in pages, okay? So you can send them to any of them. I'm just going to use this one as an example. When they put in their email address and click send me the video, that's going to open up this page, a bridge page or a thank you page. You know, have your photo. It'll say, hey, I just sent you an email because Listinfinity is going to give you the emails to upload into Aweber or GetResponse. So it'll send a welcome email. It actually gives you 30 days of follow-up emails to help convert people that join for free to help them upgrade to starter or pro. But basically it says, hey, go check that email invitation and a little bit about yourself. And so if they click on the link in their email invitation, or if they click on this link here, click here to continue, it's going to take them to, got ahead of myself. It's going to take them to this page, okay? And it's got a nice video that explains all about Listinfinity. They can go through here, read up on it. They can see lots of nice social proof with the testimonials, people getting direct payments into their PayPal or Stripe account. And then also it kind of shows you what you get if you decide to upgrade to the pro level. Okay, it shows the examples of the opt-in pages. And then if you do upgrade to pro, it's the additional training that you're getting, as well as the vacation they offer, and go ahead and get started for free. And when they click on that, they're going to create their account, and now they're going to be at that free level that we talked about. Well, after they create their account, okay, it's going to immediately take them to a page that is going to show them what's included with a starter level and what's included with a pro level, and so they can make a decision at that point to upgrade to starter for a one-time $10 payment. And if they do that, that $10 payment goes directly to you. Or if they choose to start, an upgrade at the pro membership level, then that's a one-time $100 payment, and that goes directly to you if you're a pro member as well. And so that's the funnel that they'll see, the opt-in page, the bridge page, which will take them to the page that talks about Listinfinity. They can create their free account, And after they create their free account, then they'll be given the option to upgrade to the $10 starter level or the $100 pro level. So I would really encourage you to consider getting started with List Infinity. It's really nice because, again, one-time payments, there's no monthly stuff that you have to deal with. Really, really good training if you need marketing training. They host everything for you. It's all done for you, so you don't need to know any technical things. And it's really a nice system that works well as an easy way to make money online. So I hope you found the video helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Appreciate that. Please subscribe if you haven't to my channel so you can get more videos as they come out. And if you have any questions at all, leave me a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks so much for watching.